Do you want fix Charlie-01 in XDefiant? Okay, we're going to solve this problem. Okay, the first step, okay, for the solve this problem, we are going to the Ubisoft Connect. Okay, and here, okay, we are going to here, okay, to the games, and here in installed, okay, here in the XDefiant, okay, we are going to more options, and here, okay, we are going to the properties, and here in the add launch arguments, okay, you put dash dx11, okay, you save, okay, and close, and you more option, okay, and verify files, okay, and you verifying the files of XDefiant, okay, and solve the problem, okay, Charlie 01. Bye bye.